Namaste, welcome back to my channel. I'm Archana Pammi and this is the how to series for asanas. The first pose that we're going to be doing is known as the caterpillar pose. All you can do is sit with your legs forward. Now you may bend the knees a little if required and flop the feet to the outer edge. That is the most relaxing pose that you can be in with your feet. Now the actual pose is done by slowly walking the palms forward and arching and head relaxing, the palms open, and you keep breathing here. Inhale, exhale, and you stay in this pose for minimum of 1.5 minutes and a maximum of say 5 minutes. Now this is a good pose in Sanskrit or in Hatha Yoga. This is known as Paschimottanasana, an intense back stretch. So you can see the entire back side of your body from the calf, the hamstrings, the lower back, and everything being stretched. Now I'm going to show you slightly easier ways of doing this. So you could use a block, place them on your knee and place your head on it for support so that you don't feel too much of intense pressure while you're doing this pose. Alternatively, I'm going to slowly remove the block. You could also use something known as a bolster. Place it on top of you. You could lie down. You could lie down on the bolster. This is one way of doing it. If you don't have bolster, feel free to place 2 pillows and then you could do that. If this is also difficult, some of you might have tighter hips to begin with. So place a cushion or a rolled up blanket maybe. So now you can see that the pelvic is automatically twisted and your hip is able to roll forward, making it absolutely easy to approach this asana. So find whatever works best for you and just stay here and breathe. Taking deep inhale and exhale. Been here for almost 2 minutes now. So we're going to just turn the palms and place them on the mat. Using the arm support, walk them back slowly, inch by inch, lifting the back up and relaxing. You may release the bolsters or the cushions or the blocks in this process. Now this is known as the caterpillar pose, or like I mentioned, a variation known as Paschimottanasana. A beautiful pose to stretch the entire back side of the body when you've had a deep night's rest and probably didn't sleep right, have a low back pain. This is an amazing introversion pose as well, which means it helps you de-stress. Not particularly recommended for those suffering from depression, because there's a complete introversion, and sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. For me, it helped because it helped me deal with that emotion. I was able to accept myself and come out of it. If you are in severe depression, I wouldn't recommend doing this. You may just probably sit with your legs, stretched out, and just stay there and just work the back of the body, and don't bend your head forward, so that the entire introversion will affect you otherwise. Apart from that, one thing that we talk about in Eastern philosophy is known as the digestive fire, known as the Jatara Agni. Because of the deep compression, it absolutely helps a lot in digestion. If you hold this pose for 3 or 5 minutes, you will feel a sense of warmth or heat generated around your belly area, which is a good indicator of the fact that there is absolute compression of the digestive organs being present and improving the digestive fire. So that was the caterpillar pose. I hope you liked it. Thank you.